Hello there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Easter door decor, so stay tuned. For this Easter door decor, I got all my stuff on Amazon. I got this little basket, which is so cute, and the cool thing is it's got plastic in it, so after Easter, if you still want to use it, you can put real plants in it. Got that, a cute little bunny, some maidenhair, a little bit of lilac, ribbon, black and white, and orange, and then I got this to hang out of the basket. It's not going to be this long, we're going to trim it, and then little carrots. So let's get started. First thing we're going to need to do, we're going to need to put a little floral foam inside the basket. Now I don't want to go all the way across because I won't be able to fit my bunny in, so I'm going to cut my foam in half. Alright, take it and put it off to one side in the basket and kind of push hard so it sticks in there. And if you feel like it's not sticking and you want to add just a little bit of glue on the back, go ahead and do that. I'm going to put the bunny in first, but I'm going to cut his little basket off and the tags and the one on his bottom, and then we're going to stuff it into the basket. Okay, we are going to stuff it into one side of the basket. There we go, where he's just kind of hanging out. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. The little whiskers are killing me. All right, now we're gonna add some greenery. We're gonna start with this one. And it comes in a 2-pack, so I don't think you'll need 2. Save that for another project. And we don't want it too long. We really just wanna kind of come out about that much. So go ahead and get your snips and snip it a little bit shorter, and we're gonna stick it into the foam. I don't know about you, but I've always loved decorating for Easter. It's when winter is ending and fun pastel colors are coming out, children with their Easter baskets. It's really a happy holiday. And even if you've had a tough year, or even if you're super busy, take a minute to do something for yourself and decorate for Easter. I promise it'll make you happy. Now that I've snipped this, it's not a really stiff piece of plastic. It will still poke in to your styrofoam, but go ahead and hot glue it as you stick it in there, just to make sure it's gonna stay, because you're gonna put this on your door, and if a big wind comes, you don't want anything flying out. That's all I'm going to add on the long vine. Don't worry if you can see the styrofoam. We're still going to do some more work. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add this lavender. Now you want to snip the pieces off individually. And these should stick in the foam without having to add any glue whatsoever. So we're going to do it in the back, so it stands up a little bit and shows. Next thing I'm going to add is a little bit of maidenhair fur. Now it comes all together, so we're going to clip off a few little pieces and add it to the wreath. So I only added just a little bit of that maidenhair fern, and now I'm ready to add a few carrots. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue. I say a little bit, that's a lot, but it's not gonna come out. Just hold it in there till it dries. The first carrot I'm gonna do standing straight up. The second one I'm gonna lean just a little bit, and that's all I'm gonna put in the basket. So I thought that was all the carrot I was going to add, but my producer, aka daughter, said he needs to hold a carrot, so I'm going to glue one in there as well. So I had orange and black and white ribbon, but I just decided I think I'm just going to do the black and white, and I'm not going to make the bow too big. I just want to add a small bow because I don't want to take away from the cuteness of the bunny. So I'm simply going to do a 6-loop bow. Now I used floral wire to tie the bow in the middle, and I'm going to snip it pretty close because I'm going to glue it onto the basket, and I'm just going to add a little bit of glue. The bow added just the right touch. This little guy is going to be so cute greeting your guests and family. Now I have another video out. I did an adorable Easter table decor, so be sure to check that one out as well. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do and hit the bell. It'll tell you when I have a new video out, and everybody have a wonderful day.